Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Does this bin open automatically?
Yes, just wave your hand.
Is this for plastic bottles?
No, it is for paper.
Where is the glass bin?
It is behind the green sign.
Does it need a special bag?
Yes, buy the yellow ones.
Is the sensor working now?
Try waving your hand closer.
Should I wash this cup?
Yes, it must be clean.
Can I throw this away?
Check the label on the lid.
Is the bin full today?
No, the screen says empty.
Does the machine give points?
Yes, scan your phone app.
Is the metal bin over there?
Yes, use the silver door.
Is this for food waste?
No, use the compost bin.
Can I put cardboard here?
Fold it flat first, please.
Is the scanner on top?
Yes, near the red light.
Does it take batteries too?
No, put those in the box.
Is the instruction in English?
Yes, press the flag icon.
Should I remove the cap?
Yes, throw it in others.
Is the bin locked now?
It opens at 6 a.m.
Can I recycle this milk box?
Yes, but rinse it well.
Is there a weight limit?
No, just one at a time.
Does the app track points?
Yes, check your total balance.
Is the blue bin for vinyl?
Yes, put clean wraps there.
Do I scan my ID?
Yes, touch the reader here.
Is the trash sorted later?
Yes, a robot does it.
Is this bin for styrofoam?
Yes, use the big side.
Can I leave my bag?
No, take it with you.
Is the screen too bright?
It is okay for now.
Does it smell bad here?
No, it is very clean.
Is the collection daily?
Yes, every night at 10.
Can I use this bin?
Yes, it is ready now.
Is the light flashing green?
Yes, you can start now.
Is the lunchbox hot?
Yes, it is fresh today.
What is in the first layer?
There is some spicy rice.
Is there bread inside too?
Yes, 2 pieces of roti.
Can I get a spoon?
Yes, look in the side.
Is this a vegetarian meal?
Yes, it is only lentils.
Is the Tiffin box heavy?
No, it is very light.
Do I return the box?
Yes, leave it outside later.
Is the delivery guy here?
Yes, he is at the gate.
How many boxes are there?
3 metal boxes are stacked.
Is the curry very spicy?
It has a little kick.
Is this a monthly plan?
Yes, pay every 30 days.
Does it come with water?
No, only the food set.
Is the lid tight enough?
Yes, do not worry now.
Can I change my order?
Yes, call the office tomorrow.
Is the rice white today?
Yes, and very soft too.
Are there any onions inside?
No, the meal is plain.
Is the dal salty enough?
Yes, it tastes very good.
Can I share this meal?
Yes, it is a lot.
Is the delivery on time?
They are never late here.
Is the handle strong?
Yes, it is made of steel.
Do I need a plate?
No, eat from the box.
Is this a home-cooked meal?
Yes, it feels like home.
Can I add some salt?
The small packet is here.
Is the price low?
Yes, it is very cheap.
Do I wash the box?
No, they wash it later.
Is there a dessert today?
Yes, a small sweet treat.
Is the Tiffin box numbered?
Yes, look for your code.
Can I pause the service?
Yes, just for the weekend.
Is the food healthy?
Yes, it has many vegetables.
Do you like the smell?
Yes, it smells like ginger.
Is this the tree group?
Yes, welcome to the park.
Should I take off shoes?
No, keep your boots on.
Is the ground wet today?
Yes, the grass is damp.
Can I touch this tree?
Yes, it is very old.
Is the air fresh here?
Yes, take a deep breath.
Should we be quiet now?
Yes, just listen to nature.
Is the forest very big?
Yes, it goes on forever.
Can I hug this pine?
Yes, it feels very rough.
Are there many bugs here?
No, it is too cold.
Is the sun coming out?
Yes, look through the leaves.
Do we walk in a line?
No, find your own spot.
Is this a meditation class?
Yes, for relaxing the mind.
Should I close my eyes?
Yes, if you feel safe.
Is the bark very hard?
Yes, but the moss is soft.
Can I take a photo?
Maybe after the session ends.
Is the group very friendly?
Yes, we love meeting people.
Is there a meeting fee?
No, it is a free club.
Do we meet every Sunday?
Yes, early in the morning.
Is the path very muddy?
A little bit, watch out.
Can I bring my dog?
Yes, if it stays quiet.
Is the leader here yet?
Yes, she is wearing red.
Is the air getting cold?
Yes, put on your scarf.
Does it rain often here?
Yes, bring a light jacket.
Is the energy good today?
Yes, I feel very calm.
Can I lean on this?
Yes, lean back and relax.
Is the session 1 hour?
Yes, we finish at noon.
Do you feel the wind?
Yes, it is very light.
Is the wood very dry?
No, it rained last night.
Are we standing in a circle?
Yes, let's hold hands now.
Is the activity finished?
Yes, thank you for coming.
Is the big sale starting?
Yes, in just 1 minute.
Is the price very low?
Yes, it is half off.
Do I need a coupon?
Yes, type it in now.
Is the item in stock?
Only 5 are left now.
Can I pay with credit?
Yes, any card is okay.
Is the shipping free today?
Yes, for orders over 10.
Is the app loading slowly?
Yes, many people are online.
Should I refresh the page?
Yes, pull the screen down.
Is the cart empty now?
No, the shoes are there.
Can I use 2 codes?
No, only one is allowed.
Is the deal only today?
Yes, it ends at midnight.
Is the quality very good?
Check the stars and reviews.
Is the checkout button green?
Yes, at the bottom right.
Do I get a discount?
Yes, for your first buy.
Is the screen frozen now?
Wait, it will move soon.
Can I return the item?
Yes, within 30 days total.
Is the brand very famous?
Yes, everyone knows this name.
Is the delivery speed fast?
It takes about 3 days.
Do I need an account?
Yes, sign in with email.
Is the color bright blue?
No, it is dark navy.
Is the total price right?
Yes, tax is included now.
Can I track the order?
Yes, use the tracking link.
Is the size very small?
Look at the size chart.
Is the box safe now?
Yes, it has good wrap.
Can I pay by phone?
Yes, touch the screen now.
Is the gift wrap free?
No, it costs $1.
Is the notification on today?
Yes, it will ring soon.
Is the store open now?
It is an online store.
Can I cancel the order?
Only before it ships out.
Is the timer at 0?
Yes, click the button now.
Did you see my invite?
Yes, I accepted it today.
Is the cleaning on Friday?
No, we changed it now.
Is your work trip soon?
Check the blue color box.
Can I add a reminder?
Yes, set it for 8 a.m.
Is the rent due today?
No, it is on Monday.
Is the calendar sync working?
Yes, my phone just rang.
Should I mark the party?
Yes, add the address too.
Is the dinner at home?
Yes, it is on the list.
Can you see my notes?
No, make them public first.
Is the gym time right?
I moved it to 7.
Is the trash day marked?
Yes, look for the icon.
Can I change the color?
Yes, pick a bright one.
Is the guest list ready?
It is in the description.
Should I share with Sarah?
Yes, add her email now.
Is the meeting at 6?
No, it starts at 5.
Can I set an alarm?
Yes, the app can ring.
Is the calendar private now?
No, I can see it.
Did you delete the task?
Yes, it was already done.
Is the shopping list shared?
Yes, we can both edit.
Is the event all day?
No, only for 2 hours.
Can I hide these dates?
Yes, just uncheck the box.
Is the holiday next week?
Yes, starting on Thursday now.
Do I need to update?
Yes, the new version is out.
Is the time zone correct?
Yes, it is local time.
Can I add a link?
Yes, paste it in here.
Is the phone battery low?
No, it is at 80.
Do you like the app?
Yes, it is very simple.
Is the weekend busy today?
No, we have no plans.
Can I see your schedule?
Yes, I just shared it.
Is the alert too loud?
No, it is just right.